Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create Instagram story highlight. Simply first open Instagram, swipe, showing you to post story or reels. Select story, select any photo or video from your gallery. Press on this arrow option, press on to share option, and I'm get add to highlight. Press on to plus option, highlight name, press on add, and press on done. And I've successfully create this. Now I'm checking, press on to profile, showing it to my highlight section. I'm recently create this. That's it.